when I started doing work with biometrics, for example, they talk a lot about designing the guest experience. That if you go out and have a fantastic time, that it didn't happen randomly. It didn't happen by accident. It was a great operator stood there and worked out what you as a guest wanted as you went through the experience, from standing outside looking at the menu to going through the door to, even going to the bathroom. How many times we've been to a venue where you walk into the bathroom and you think, what the fuck happened here? Did you run out of budget by the time you got here? Or you just don't care about it? And as I say, things like that. So that's the idea of the touch point exercise. You sit and you collaborate and say, what do we think the guest wants? What do you want? How will we deliver it? What gets in the way of that happening? Is that something that you would run alongside something like this? This is really about identifying the guest and their need, as opposed to necessarily what happens in the actual building of the reputation.
That's exactly right. However, when we do those touch point exercises, which I agree with, that's process stuff. And you need to have good processes. You want to be productive. You want to be logistically correct in your venues, to use corporate terminology. However, what I fear is that people lean too much on that. And I've done that work, so that work is henceforth done, and then we don't get into who we are, what do we stand for. We have massive anyone here have a turnover problem in their business? People coming and going a lot, or people stay forever? Look, we have massive turnover issues in the States, mostly because people aren't engaged in the business. I would rather have a team fully engaged in everything we do, a team of true believers that are going to execute on the business proposition and understand my value prop to my customers, than have a bunch of people that really understand to take the guest to a table and hand them a menu and say thank you.